Yo, what's up, my people? This Jay again, guys. So today, as you've been asking me to show you how the killer works. The killer is simple. It doesn't give you any problem. You will be the problem to the killer, cause what is your requirement is to follow up for what the killer shows you. So as you can see, I took this morning, 46 minutes past 7 this morning on the 2nd June. And as you can see, my account balance is 981 with 38 cents. Until now, we have 1.8 as a profit. As you can see, each position is holds $179. So we bought a gold with 0.15 as a lot size, this gold that we are trading, and we bought it on this price. You can see that it was down according to where it is. You know, if you bought it down and it goes higher, then you need to understand that you are making money. But if you bought it here and then it goes below the price where you bought it from, now you'll be losing unless if you will be sold. So as you can see now, what we have here is 173 dollars per position, which is 1.8 down here. So let's go into details and shows you why we took this. As you can see, this is 5 minute time frame, and here is where our signal were shown up, but we didn't take it from here. We waited for it to go up. You can see it comes down and shows a buy signal, but I took it from here because I didn't use 5 minute time frame. I used 15 minute time frame. As you can see, after breaking this way, buy signal is showing up. So I bought it from here, and as you can see, it's up to almost profit target one. You know, so this is what you do. Don't buy when it's showing this. This bigger or sign is showing a changing of direction. So once it shows you this, then you can start looking for entry. Now is developed before the killer didn't have this small sign as show as a sign of correct entry. Once this shown up, we just have to look for entry as soon as possible. But now is now upgraded. It shows the correct entry. You could have entered from here. You can see it went up. But if you don't understand what to do, you just wait for this small arrow, the blue one, will give you a correct entry. Or if it changes direction, you can even see we have moving averages here. Once these moving averages crossed below the chart, then you are free to go. You can see the previous one. Once it happened here, the smaller arrow or blue one, it shows up, which means this was 100% correct entry. And this moving average, you can see what it did after crossing below the chart. Then price kept on going up. This happens on all of direction, whether it's downtrend or uptrend. You can clearly see that we have. Let me zoom in here. Uh, you can clearly see that we have uh, this as a sign of changing direction, and we have smaller arrow here, red one, that shows that we can just jump in. Beside that, if you miss this, you can still follow up this moving average. Then this 14 moving average, then you can see after crossing above the chart kept on going down no matter what, until we saw again another confirmation of trend direction changing. Where it happens, you can see the small arrow below the bigger blue arrow, where it shows up that direction is changing at the same times, you can take entry straight up. If you miss this, then you can just lay on this moving average. Once it's finished to cross below the chart, then you are in. If you miss this, here's the second chance where it shows up another small arrow. This is stand for entries, correct entries. So I don't see any difficulties here because everything is easy. As you can see, even in a bigger time frame, the traders who trade with the bigger time frames, you will understand that you can use terminate time frame as well. This terminate time frame, you can see after, let's check about this, after trend shown up that's changing, there is a small arrow below the bigger one that shows even if the trend is changing now you can just jump in. And if you miss this, you can still wait for the signal of this moving average after crossing below the chart. Then you're in. The same thing happened there. So, for example, if you see downtrend direction goes without showing that the trend is changing, showing something like this, then you will still look for entries signals. Those arrows are there to show you that we're still going up. Once this happens, once you thought maybe it will keep on going down, once you see this, you need to know that we still have to look a buying signal. You can see where it happens, it's pushed up and comes to retest the previous where it comes from, and then here's another entry. Then we went up. So I don't see anything difficult here. It's easy for everyone. You just need to follow up the killer signals. So my people, I don't know anything else to explain. If you have seen the first videos that I've been sharing of the killer, then you know what I mean. The killer analyze itself, then it will analyze for you and give you the correct entries. You can see it's still going up. So now, as I told you that we always need to look for to double our account. Once your account is doubled, always don't be greedy. Jump out of the market, then find something else to do or analyze again. Find any other entries. If you can analyze for your own, then use the killer. What we go for now is to close. As you can see, we have 981 as our capital. Now we have in total 3006 something. Why don't we close? Closing with the killer is easy. You just press on this X sign and then you are closing. Then after closing, then you will be looking for more signals if you will be still want to trade. And if you don't, then you will just feel satisfied. As you can see now, we're standing on 3,160 with 43 cents. So this is how we do it. This is how we do it. It's a simple. Everyone can do it. What is the requirement is to get the killer and have a PC. This the killer works with MT4. Get a piece, get insert instructions of how to install this killer. Then uh, found your account as much as $50. Then start trading with the killer. Then everything will be okay. So my people, enjoy your day, enjoy this Monday. Let's keep on making money.